So, let me tell you something. At the two only that plan to kill the woman, and I only hope Dana admin hear this. Two uno.
Let them be confounded and put to shame that seek after my soul.
Tina, let me tell you something. Did you remember when you say yesterday, Tina mind God kill you? Tina mind God kill you. You were the one who posted Shanae picture and talk about Planka liar. You have that little girl posted on your platform. So there's no way. You see, this is the thing when I not tell lie. That's why me not tell lie. Me not tell lie. You, if you had said, you know, you one like say you did say nothing like that. Nothing like that. And the live that you did a live and you said to Lorraine must stop talk because the idiot people them still and the idiot people them now stop support. They support the platform, support Dana platform. You never tell Lorraine for done with no charity. You tell Lorraine for the people them still a support because you did live on it. So nobody come now, come go on. You were involved. And it is sad for no say that woman she don't do no nothing. She not trouble no. She never say. She say she despise no, which you have all right. But to be honest, at no time did Dana ever, I should have Dana try to pay for take for uno life. No uno, and let me tell you something. I'm glad the two uno now at it. And for sit I know, me didn't know it. When me hear you Tina come out, I know you're gonna come out and I make it look like say a Lorraine one in I Tina. No, you were the mastermind. You word, uno can't go and tell no lie, but me I go there judge and me I go me a member uno Tina. Me know every live what you do. Tina, both uno did a plan to take the woman life. Lorraine stay upon her life. The same Michelle Bradshaw they had was to tell her. Michelle Bradshaw was to tell her those say so. Say she want Dana for dead. You Tina Chin. So the two only did a plan to take the woman life. The two uno did a plan to take the woman life. So when you come now, I can use your pit latrine and I come talk. Yo, Tina, Lorraine wicked too. I mean, I take up for Lorraine. Lorraine wicked too. Because Lorraine has a big married woman. If Lorraine did one, and Tina, let me tell you something. I mean, I say Michelle write a good letter to Canada. I'm not going to say that. You always before Michelle went over Lorraine. What happened to the Jamaica Public Service letter and then the letter? Remember Michelle it over. Me not take off for Michelle enough people, but the truth must be here. The truth must be here. Me not take up for Michelle because me say Lorraine is a wicked woman. And for a married woman to be going on, you're fighting corruption, Lorraine. You are fighting corruption. But what kind of something? How much did you donate to Shanae? How dare you to be in Shanae things them? Uno could have, where the money have to do with you is not your money. That's very rude and out of order. Would you like? You see how funny is it? Your ears, mama telling us something. Would you, Tina said she was going to report you, and obviously you know some fraud because Tina said who take tests for you and what have you not. But to be honest, Lorraine, would you like we go somebody go dig up which agent and all of those things? Because let me tell you something, Ashanti have them. Ashanti have them, have your patient name and every God Almighty thing. And what did I say to Ashanti? No. Because so let me tell you something. At the end of the day, we don't want, we only want, nobody have a protein. Let me tell you something, you know. I want to be, me go talk the truth. If Lorraine say, and she do your depend say you talk about scamming Lorraine, and you feel for come out and you feel for talk about scamming, me have a different point of view from you. But how does scamming reach till the people around Dana get attacked, Dana family get attacked, Dana kids I get attack. Who there with Dana I get attack. So it's not thing there. Dana buy her furniture. Lorraine, let me tell you what me say you do. Let me tell you, come here go talk. You say Dana a furniture house, Dana have her taste. You live in a your house. You gone and you tell Dana where Dana fi buy, put in her house. Where Dana fi do. At one point you have a style, you say Dana watch your life because where you say. These are things what we call obsession. It's nothing about fighting charity. So, let me tell you something. At the two only that plan to kill the woman. And I only hope Dana admin hear this. The two of Uno was planning. Tina, you're not come out now. You're in it, Tina. Don't come out. You are in it. And I even blame you more than Lorraine. Because you are the one that come say, let me tell you something with this. When you tell a lie and that you're chipping at the American accent. And blah, Tina, you did post up Shanae. Tina, remember you did post up Lorraine, Photoshop Lorraine, and when you're done, you come out and laugh and say, when you find out, say, we find out, say a lie, who can Photoshop like you take it for joke? What you do Lorraine? Let me tell you something. I gotta work for Uno. So nobody come out now. I have no pity and no. The only thing I'm glad say you Lorraine a bake. Me no have no pity and no mercy for none. Tina, me go tell you how you wicked. Yes, Lorraine turn up and say God for kill her. Michelle had was to call to Lorraine and say don't say so. And Tina sit down in her car and say so. So the two of them did a plan to take the woman life. Remember, me can tell you that same sour girl named Tina there. So Tina is the that Lorraine no guilty because Lorraine have a mind of her own. Lorraine have a mind of her own, but them plan up. The thing is, let me tell you something. Come, me tell you nothing. You hear me talk already. None of them never like them one another, but the whole of them aim was to get down Dana. And see how the man name up them one another now who are go drag who in a courthouse, who are go gas station. Tina is a liar. I'm going to tell you no one how Tina wicked. Who remember who I watch Tina? Who remember Sheena Cartier, Sheila Cartier with the girl in name was she and Tina? They didn't have them bang around there. Come here carrying no back through memories. Remember one of the time when Tina they put up one tire and say one of Sheena people them punch at that tire there. Me I go tell you that picture there. Me I go tell you how much people. That one picture there when the tire puncher. She say a Sheena people them. Then she say a Dana. Then she say a Chris. Then she say a Legendary over there so. And at the same time, she has a legendary illegal. So I never know legendary take plane and go over. Then she say Ashanti. Tina have that one picture, yeah, Sheena. Me no good with name, but me know the last name, Carter. That one car tire there, Tina take up how much time that one picture. And say, remember she say a Sheena people them punch her tire, you know. Remember, she did say a Sheena people and punch her tire. Then she went back and she said, Dana. Then she went back and she said, Chris. Then she went and she said, a Legendary. Then she said, Ashanti. Me say, who else punch her? Then the people in here remember maybe more. No. Another thing I want to remind people about Tina. Remember Tina did a cuss Dana and said Dana tell lie pan her and me was like, Tina, you tell lie on me. You say me and Carol go over your daughter Instagram. You tell lie pan me. So me now get up every day and cuss you. Then finally Tina and Lorraine play the recording what they hear. Where Tina said the reason why she have up Dana. Somebody asked Dana where them can in a 2019. Somebody asked Dana which part of New York then can get cake for buy. Now Uno said Dana can't come a foreign, so when Dana fi know, Dana said to the person say she no know. And that person must be Tina. She says somebody in the comment asked Dana, which part you can find Tina chin shop. Me go show you how Tina childish, out of order, because you pay Dana to promote your business? When them ask Dana which part Dana can find Tina chin shop, Dana says she don't know. Alright. After that, me say people, because me a member, you know. I don't know, because you don't know, say Chris know people. Chris must send somebody go buy some cupcake from Tina till she must give the person somewhere could sell. Because you don't know say Charlotte. And Chris said to her, say, as due respect, because the man are attacked, you know, they were on talk speaking terms. Chris said to her, say, I don't know if Chris did tell her, but anyway, Chris did ask her for confirm if the person they come there to pick up the cupcake. Alright. Only if you know, say people. Only if you know, say when Chris asks her about the cupcake, she say yes and everything. When Tina and Chris in their argument, Tina said Chris send people to come stalk her and come video her place, video her shop what she never have. Come again, Dana say it already, always used to say that, and Tina cuss Dana over there. When support Tina, China sitting. He come out and he cuss and he go on and he said Dana send people for stalk her and a Dana. So now, me want to know, and then you go come say, Tina, you make your business stagnant. So don't come out here and tell no lie. We're not in the cow jump over the moon story. We're not in it. We want to know the truth, which mean know the truth. You, because I used to Lorraine, now talk about charity and Lorraine now this and Lorraine and that and call out back Lorraine out here. Lorraine did gone in. Lorraine did gone in. I'm not going to think there because I say, guess what? I don't know if Tina have voice note and record. I only sorry I was sent over Lorraine yard late. And it look like Lorraine take down the life. Because I really want to hear the voice note and the recording them what Lorraine put out. I really want to hear Tina voice note and recording can't tell lie. You have a motive against Dana more than I'm not take up for Lorraine people. Because everybody knows that Lorraine obsession. Lorraine did get beaten tonight. Me not take up fear, you know. Lorraine obsessed over Dana and the obsess lead up to 8 because I say Lorraine is really upset because for you fear go all the way and I do them the something there and I do them the sin thing there and I do them the sin there that you not clean all your house. I know the truth. You sit down, lose all your night sleep, your night rest, and when you done in bed asleep, I'm good at there with the people, them man like no say, when they would done foot them I go up in the ear and I come sweet and in getting fuck and the people them man I can't say me I say you know. And in getting fuck and feel good and go sleep because nothing more than when you get a good fuck you know man and come and getting fuck and go sleep. Uno out your panny name when Dana pussy a rejoice. Dana heart a rejoice, Dana pussy a rejoice and uno out here you married and live with your husband. You better hear the guy your daughter go spend weekend. Every day like is a job. The both uno, the whole uno. Then no lie, no joke. Be the one who laughing for when they not said that. When them say me, I say after it, you know. When the people let man go, I fuck Dana. And Dana pussy I rejoice, Dana heart sleep. Nothing more than a good fuck make you sleep. Dana gone in bed, go sleep. Get him when pussy I rejoice and you in a misery then. And go friend that little girl. I wonder if you don't know say I see cause all in a Tina head still you know Dana can't come and find no cause me hear Tina do a live but in a reach 2 weeks yet and I say oh she can sue Lorraine for Dana and take up case for Dana. And so you know Tina I wonder if you don't know say what not do. I wonder if you don't know what not do. No things. Remember the woman copyright her name, the woman copyright her business. Dana and no criminal record like your Tina. I mean, no one feel like say Me hear all you Lorraine, me don't know where you get this thing from. That's why sometimes me I wonder, me not disrespect nobody, cause every job is a job. Cause me use when me come a Curacao first. When me come a Curacao first. Me used to the first job with me do. I have to cut yard with one Asian guy. Yeah? First, that's why I can't use every equipment. I got the first go start sweep up. And one time immigration they catch every one of the guy them and me and him start work till me and him I wanted a girl or something or so Renee. That was my first job. Then I start to clean house. Then I send back myself for school for learn for work in a hotel. For make bed and so then I work there so. And from the hotel work and sit now so I send back myself for school go do a course. What me can do me I don't know. I'm going to tell you something. Me not have, but sometimes I wonder if, because me is a person, I catch on very quick. One time I help one lady to with catering and so. I'm a person I catch on very quick, very quick. Me wonder, me not there for disrespect nobody. Me I wonder if Michelle Bradshaw really work as a paralegal, although we know a paralegal is not a liar. I just she clean the office. Me really I wonder, because some of the things that Mr. Lorraine do, some of this carelessness what Mr. Lorraine do, send it to me. And these are the things when I send people for stock. I'm going to tell you something. When these are the things, and this is why I'm telling you, it is no surprise to me, you know. When I hear, ask Ashanti what I said to him, when I hear Tina lick out and say, she didn't have the plan for kill because blood, she don't want a blood partner. And the only thing when I know, I say Ashanti, if Dana and Chris in it, and don't be surprised. Me even said to Ashanti, say any of my name in a killing, me know what me I do. Me know say this thing was deeper. It is no surprise to me. Me no shock. The only shock when me shock out Tina and Lorraine and name up them one another like dog and name dog. And Tina even tell a lie. Tina, you so lie. You never ask Michelle what you do about same-so TV. You never ask Michelle. When the voice note came out, same-so TV started to disrespect Michelle. Lorraine had called you. Lorraine said she call you. You say the group call Lorraine I call you in. And you come back and talk that. You never ask her. Same-so TV started to cuss Michelle. And then Michelle lick back, clap back at you. Everything you tell lie. Tina tell the truth. Tell the truth. Because say uno cannot do that. You Tina was the mastermind behind it. You, cause you have a problem with Dana more. You have Lorraine obsessed and you have a problem with Dana. Tina, you remember about 2 months ago you step on your live say. You step on your live say. Where you there, Dana make your business stagnant. Dana make your business stagnant. You make your business stagnant when you have a business and you come out and you put out, because I can call Matlock, you put out Matlock address and you say you should have spit in the cake and give Matlock. That's what you say. You make your business stagnant. Hey, remember, Leggy have to go for memories. One thing do I remember, because I know who's probably find him archive. I don't know him put him something them. But I carry my memories in my head. I know them never did go benefit nothing but a lawsuit. Me know them never did a go benefit nothing, but Tina a play innocent. Tina a play innocent. Lorraine have a problem that even now with Lorraine and Tina, she still a cuss Dana. And the thing is, them a cuss Dana, and when them done them gone in and talk good about Dana. Them a cuss Dana, and when them done them go in and talk good about Dana. Because them a say Dana house look good. Them out here cuss the woman house. Lorraine, you live in a fear house. Where you live in a fear house. Whether your husband put you there, thank God for that. Dana live in a fear, Dana upon the gully side. Everybody live, everybody know what them want to do. And this is what my granny always tell me when time my liquor said the devil get eyeglass work for do. Wanna see how much bangarang, Tina some something what you do. Lorraine some something. Tina, are you to send Tina? Oh, you didn't know what Lorraine have drop bomb for drop. Oh, you didn't know what Lorraine have bomb for drop. So when you are gonna say, Lorraine say, come here, Tina. When you always a say, Tina, remember them live they know. When you always a say, people go over Lorraine. Because Lorraine wet no. Now you pay just say according to you when you send them out. Now when you tell them say you have your brand. And you know what? People go over Lorraine. And Lorraine, you just drop it upon them. Yeah. Tina, the lady will go over Lorraine school, the one with the charity. What's your name? I don't even remember. Are you and the lady there, friend? That lady don't know Lorraine. That lady they know you. That lady they know you. You send the people them over Lorraine platform for call. Are you and those people? You, Tina. Cause same like when you know say the girl did come. I can't know and put him something them. But me carry my memories in my head. Me know them never did go benefit nothing but a lawsuit. Me know them never did go benefit nothing but Tina a play innocent. Tina a play innocent. Lorraine have a problem that even now with Lorraine and Tina, she still a cuss Dana. And the thing is, them a cuss Dana, and when them done them gone in and talk good about Dana. Them a cuss Dana, and when them done them go in and talk good about Dana. Because them a say Dana house look good. Them out here cuss the woman house. Lorraine, you live in a fear house. Where you live in a fear house. Whether your husband put you there, thank God for that. Dana live in a fear, Dana upon the gully side. Everybody live, everybody know what them want to do. And this is what my granny always tell me when time my liquor said the devil get eyeglass work for do. Wanna see how much bangarang, Tina some something what you do. Lorraine some something. Tina, are you to send Tina? Oh, you didn't know what Lorraine have drop bomb for drop. Oh, you didn't know what Lorraine have bomb for drop. So when you are gonna say, Lorraine say, come here, Tina. When you always a say, Tina, remember them live they know. When you always a say, people go over Lorraine. Because Lorraine wet no. Now you pay just say according to you when you send them out. Now when you tell them say you have your brand. And you know what? People go over Lorraine. And Lorraine, you just drop it upon them. Yeah. Tina, the lady will go over Lorraine school, the one with the charity. What's your name? I don't even remember. Are you and the lady there, friend? That lady don't know Lorraine. That lady they know you. That lady they know you. You send the people them over Lorraine platform for call. Are you and those people? You, Tina. Cause same like when you know say the girl did come. Same like you know say when the girl did come. The girl did come, you know everything. And you give Lorraine the work for do. You see the only check up Lorraine and ask Lorraine what go on. You want to know how the progress, how it's going. You can't sit down. What kind of baker? Me see you sit down for life 6 hour cost Dana. Me see you sit down for life 5 hour cost Dana. All me your cost to. All me your cost to. No una always a share out Lorraine live. No una always a entertain and a big up Lorraine platform and a share out Lorraine live till you want back followers. Then you send your people and go follow Lorraine. So no, me not understand you, Tina. Me not understand you. No come out here with no lie. Me want to know the truth. Me want to know the truth. In a one live, what you do again? You say you're not eat Dana, you not have nothing against Dana. Dana have problem with you. Before the live done, you say you not like the woman. Yesterday you say, which you're not obligated to like her because like you like Dana is a destruction. You just bad mind the woman Tina about your bake. Tina, what kind of cake you bake and your people pay for your cake from 2020? You're so vindictive and bad mind. You see one lady over Lorraine platform. You cancel the woman order and put up the woman name. Then you want, then me now could I see you do that and me. Me now could I see you do that and me buy cake from you. Tina, let me tell you something. I don't discriminate people. A woman here is them beauty. So you see, if you can't bother, so I don't bother because I cannot afford it. You better you trim your ear and keep it low.